Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we'll show how we can create a Reddit account for our client hunting or anything else. So Reddit is a very powerful platform as a freelancer who serve graphic design service or web development service or anything else service. This platform is very powerful for client hunting. Okay. So in this video, we will show how we can create and optimize a professional Reddit account. For start the procedure, first we are going to a new Chrome browser. Okay, so I am switching another Chrome browser. Okay, after that, just you will search the search console here, Reddit, Reddit. Okay, reddit.com. Just enter. Okay, here you can see the interface. After coming in the interface, here you need to log in or anything else. Okay, just click on the login. After that, you will show this interface. Here, you if you have already a Reddit account, then you can just log in here using your uh, continue with Google or password and username. Okay, if you don't have any Reddit account and add a new, so you need to click here the sign up option. Okay, just click on the sign up, and after that you just need to input here email or you can continue with the Google. Okay, so I just going with the Google. Here you can see here you need to confirm your Gmail account, so I am just confirm this, and here just need to click the continue. Okay, just wait, and here you can see don't miss a thing from Reddit. I agree to emails about cool stuff. Okay, so you need to permission your agree. After that continue, and here you need to some information about you. Okay, about your account. So here you can see how do you identify you are a woman, man, or anything else. So I am a man, so I am click on the man. Okay, after that you can see pick things you would like to see in your home feed. So here Reddit is suggesting what types of information or news feeds you want to front of your Reddit account. So here you can see here are lot of section. Here you can see the popular section. Okay, under popular section, here you can see Bollywood gossip, ask to Reddit, anything else you want. Okay, just I am click on the world news, and after that place and travel. Here you can just randomly select, so it's taking too much time, so that's why I'm randomly clicking here. Okay, that's not a big deal. After that, click just okay. So I don't need to anything do now. So I just click on the continue. Just click on the continue and wait for the next step. Don't be hurry. Okay. So here you can see the Reddit account is ready, and there is the Reddit account interface of your account. Here you can see, so this is the Reddit main interface. Okay, so I am now talking about each part of the Reddit account. So here you can see a Reddit account logo. If you click here, you will drive it in the home page. Okay, then here you can see popular section. Under this popular section, you can see the popular things are uploading or happening in the Reddit all over the world. This information will come front of you. Okay, after that, just here the answer. This is the new section. This is better, and here you can explore the Reddit account. Here you can see explore communities. uh, you know about the Facebook group, right? So This is the thing, same of the Facebook group. So Facebook called this group and Reddit just called this communities. But this all the things is same. Okay. So here you can see a lot of group. So you will find here your expecting group, what type of group you want to join. Okay. So after that, also you can click the all section. Here you can see all of the feed news all over the world. Okay, just here you can see custom feeds, custom feeds. Okay, here you can create a custom feed for you. Okay, then here you can type of name. I am just saying you the system what type of feed you want to create. Okay, so that's the description you need to describe all the things. And also here you can select that make private or you want to publish that public. Okay, so that's the option you can see. After that you can just submit. So here you can see a custom feed is already created for you. Okay, so after that you can see the communities under a lot of communities. Okay, communities means the group, and Facebook calls that group, and Reddit is called a community. So here you can see a lot of groups here, and if you need groups, you want their if you want to create a group for you, then just create a community. Here you can select community name, and there you just need to type about your group description. Okay, then just create next, and after you can select upload your group banner icon, all of things you need. So I am just skipping it. I don't need to do that. And here you can select your group topics, what type of topics you will discuss or conversation will happen in this group of your community. Okay, so here you can select some kind of category. So just click on the next, and here you can see what kind of community is this. Is this public or restricted, or you want to create the group for private only? Okay, or there has another option of mature 18 plus. You can create the community. There will be 18 plus content upload or anything like this. Okay, so I am just a public and create community. And there was a problem with the community. Please try again. Okay, there are some need to information put it down, so I just ignore it. That's why the error is showing. Okay, so I am just showing you how you can create or use your Reddit account. Okay, just here you can see a lot of option there are about Reddit. You can click here and you can explore and know about Reddit, uh, how does Reddit work or anything like this. Okay, and after that you can see advertise. Here you can see uh, who want to advertise and who are advertising. Okay, you can also advertise from your audience for your audience. Okay, so here you need to just create your advertising account. Here you can say get $500 in ad credit when you spend 500. Okay, so there is option if you spend here $500 and you will get back a $500 credit from Reddit account. Okay, so here you can just create your advertiser account, business name, username, or your country and currency. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so I just ignoring it. I am back to the Reddit interface. Okay, so this is the section. Don't need to worry here. The simple option, you just need to explore the full Reddit account interface. Okay, and if I want to go to the right section of the interface, here you can see a avatar. Okay, the profile pic. Here just click on the avatar. Here you can click on the view profile. After click on the view profile, your profile will be in front of us. Okay, so I have already Reddit accounts. This will be easy for understanding. So I am switching on my personal Reddit account. Okay, just give me a moment. Here is my personal professional Reddit account. So here you can see there is my profile name Sheikh Sujibuddin, and here you can see my cover photo and my description. This is my personal, okay, professional account. So if you click on the profile icon, and after that you can see here you can edit after you want to upload your photo or you want to upload your avatar. So there is the option you can choose, okay. There and under there here you can see the achievements. If you achieve anything on the Reddit, so you will see here, okay. And that's the premium. So all of you know, all of the platform has two type of option, is free and premium. And if you want to get more facilities from this Reddit account, so you just need to use the premium version of Reddit account. Okay, and here you can see the dark mode. If I click on the dark mode, the interface mode will change white to black. Okay, so that's looking great for the eye. So that's good, and I am of the document. Okay, here you can see the logout section. Here you can just click and the logout from your account. And here also you can see the advertise on Reddit. So we see it before the left side. Okay. So here is the things, and you can see at the last of the option is settings. So I am just clicking on the settings, and here you can see the account section. If you want to change your email address, then you can do it from here. Okay, and here gender, you if you want to customize or change your information, then you can do it from here. Then and location there, and account authorization, you can connect with Google. If you are a Apple user, so you also do it from here. Okay, and there you can see two-factor authentication. So here you can switch on and off two-factor authentication from here for secure to your account. Okay, and also you can Reddit premium user. Okay, and if I go to the profile section, here you can see the display name. So here you can customize your display name, which name you want to display on your account. Okay, and here you can add your about description. Here you need to put it a description that uh, express what you want to share the value, what types of service you provide. Okay, and there you can see avatar section. Here you can change avatar, and there is the upload banner. That is the banner like cover photo of your other social media account. Okay, so that's the thing. And here you can also see the social links. Here you can add your social links like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. So that's the thing. You can just, if I show you here, just click the option. If I cross it and I want to account Instagram, then you need to here put the username of your account. After that, save, and you just need to paste your Instagram profile account URL. Okay, so just need to give the username and profile URL and just save it, and there will be link to your Reddit account and all of your social media account. Okay, so that's the thing. uh, Okay, mark as mature 18 plus. If you are 18 plus account, you want to provide value 18 plus type, then you can switch it from here. Okay, so here you can see also privacy section. Uh, Allow people to follow you, who can follow you, or who can send message you, and who can chat request. If you want to block someone, then you can do it from here. And there are a lot of options in this privacy section. Okay, then preference, here you can source your display language, content language, everything you need to. You just need to explore the Reddit account for your particular service. What types of settings you need, just to explore this Reddit account. This is not a big deal. Okay, so There you can see the notification option. You want to push notification, community notification on your desktop or mobile phone. You can customize from here. Okay, here you can see the email option. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the all the thing of Reddit account. So I am going back on the home page. So hopefully this tutorial help you to create a professional Reddit account and optimize you for your client hunting. And yeah, Reddit account is a very powerful platform from a- acquire your potential client if you are a service provider, anything like Google Ads expert or marketing manager or the web developer, this kind of service, you can easily hunt your potential client. Okay, maybe this video helps you to a lot how to create and optimize your Reddit account. Uh, Please don't forget to share your experience with this video. Please comment on the under the video and to please like me. This will inspire me to make more helpful video like this for you. So thank you so much for staying with me.